Okay, so I was just talking to Hannah from Soft Paper Studio. So I have these two toolboxes. I have this one and I have this one. I got both of them at a flea market that we go to every year. And Hannah has this metal this metal bread box that she puts all of her standard TNs in. Now this is a little bit wider. I think I could probably put all of my planners in it that I'm currently using. So I'm going to try to modify this one right here and make it like Hannah's bread box. Okay, it ended up being super easy because this tray literally just sat in these pins. So I'm gonna try to see if this will pull out. But if not, I can have my son get it out for me. So that was super easy. Nope, got them out myself, super easy. Okay, so I'm gonna put these planners and this one in this box, and this is where it will sit on my desk, and then I will tidy up my desk. Okay, it's not perfect, but it is my kind of perfect. So this is the toolbox that I took one of the trays out of, and I put all of the planners that I'm currently using in here. And this Jay's Creative pouch has all of my stencils in it. I put that little tray that came out of it into this toolbox. So this is all of my washi tapes. I don't really use washi, so that's in there. And then these are like medallions and coins, Catholic medallions and coins that my mother-in-law used to collect. And so now I have them. Push pins, washi cards, samples. But yeah, I really like that. And of course, doing that led me to tidying up my desk. So even better, right?